Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay December 22, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong December 22, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, December 22, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for December 22, 2025, Monday lang. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for December 22, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of Monday, December 22, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.